In this video, we're going to show you how to hang a screen with no pull tabs from the inside on a double hung window on an upper floor. It's probably the hardest way to hang a screen, and so let's get to it. First thing I want to do is orient you on the screen. Make sure that the springs are on the left side. If there's a bar, at least for mine, it's going to be on the inside of the house. It's pointing toward the house, not outside. And the other thing that's really important here is if we go around to the outside of the screen, there's a lip right here, and that needs to be on the bottom facing out. And the reason is if you flip it the other way, it will be pointing inward. It will interfere with the window. One thing you might encounter also is that you have these fuzzy strips that seal the bottom and the top of the window. If it's hanging off like this or even a lot more, just slide them back into place so that they're flush with the corner of the screen. So now that we have the screen oriented correctly with the springs on the left, the bar on the inside, and any lips facing outward, we're ready to install. So our first step is to put the screen out through the window in the bottom, like so, and then flip it upwards so that it's oriented correctly. Again, springs on the left, and put that top left corner in first. It's important to do this in the order I'm going to show you, but put it in the top left corner, but don't slide it up yet. Go to the top right and put that top right corner into the upper slot, like so. Now, slide the top left corner all the way flush with the top of the window frame. Next, go to the bottom left and put the spring into the slot and the frame into the slot. And notice that now you have some flex like this. The last step, and this is the key, this is the hardest part, is to pull this corner in. And it's really hard because you don't have a pull tab like with a lot of screens. The key here is we're going to lift up and also to the left to put this corner in, and it can be very tight sometimes. What I want you to be very cautious about is pulling up anywhere in the center of the screen. Your strongest part of the screen will be right here in the corner. We're going to want to put our fingertips right under the screen and pull up and a little bit to the left to slide this and pop this into this corner. And to do this right, it might be a little tricky. If you have too much difficulty, if your fingers are too large like mine and you have too tight of a screen, this one's going to be tight, I can tell you right now. You can use packing tape. If you have some packing tape, just slide it under here and attach it to the window frame and you can pull it in. But what we're going to do is up and to the left, and with just the very tips of our fingers, pop it into place. So that's how you put a screen in that doesn't have pull tabs on an upper floor on a double hung window. I hope this video has helped you. If you have any questions, please comment, like, or subscribe, and thanks for watching.